Welcome to 16864 Carriage Horse Drive. This is in the desirable Cherry Creek Crossing neighborhood. It is a 5-minute drive, 5 miles to I-70, and easy, quick access to Denver or downtown Colorado Springs. We have a gorgeous entry here. It's a large property. It's over 4,000 square feet. So I'm going to have to move fairly quickly. But we've got hand-planed hickory floors. And I'm going to go right to my favorite feature, the outdoors. The waterfall is professionally landscaped. Lots of greenery, lots of views. And lots of outdoor spaces. It's a gourmet kitchen with a great breakfast area with expansive views. Got a little butler's pantry. This is the formal dining area. We have a half bath, the office, and the mudroom goes into a 4-car garage. This is the main floor, main bedroom with a great gas fireplace and a coffee area. And this bedroom also opens up to the deck and has just beautiful views. Just lots of greenery and trees and rolling hills. It's lovely. Okay, I know I'm going fast. Walk-in closet. All right, and now we're going to go down. So we have a second living area down here. This would be a great gaming nook for the kids. Or, it's large enough to put a nice desk and could be an office space. This is the second great room. This would be great for a little gaming table. We've got a bar that's ready to go. And then on those hot days when you don't want to sit in the sun, you can come down here and sit in this covered patio and enjoy the sounds of the water and the greenery. So this is the second bedroom that we're seeing, and it's the second main bedroom. It's got an ensuite bathroom. It's nice and large. Bright and sunny. Walk-in closet. Full bathroom. There's a large storage area under the stairs. This is the third bedroom. And we've got a Jack and Jill bathroom. And here's the fourth bedroom, also with a walk-in closet. So this property also features a second garage area or workshop. So you can drive around the side of the house and you can fit up to 4 cars in this. There's also the Outbuilding, which holds a full-size RV and all the other toys you could possibly hope for. So I hope that this helps. This is a wonderful property. Feel free to call your broker or to call me with any questions. Thank you.